Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the emergency brake on a Kia Sportage. And this will be a parking brake tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. This right over here is the parking brake or emergency brake sort of button or lever, depending on what you want to call it. I'm going to just bring the camera out to show you sort of perspective-wise where it is. So as you can see right here, this is a Kia Sportage, okay? And on the dashboard, right over here, there is a light or an icon that tells you when the parking brake or the emergency brake is engaged, okay? And from the steering wheel area, if we go down to the left, down here, right over here, that is your actual lever or button for the parking brake or emergency brake. Okay, I use those words interchangeably. It depends kind of on what you call it, but for the most part, I'm always talking about. I'm always talking about the same thing. Whether I say parking brake or emergency brake, I'm always going to be referring to the same thing. So how do you? Right now, it's engaged. You can see right over here. Right now, it's engaged because the light is illuminated. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake and I'm pressing on the brake. Okay, and if I push in, you can see, it's kind of hard to hear, but there was a little sound like, but now the light is unilluminated. So now I disengaged it. So by pushing it in, I turned it off, okay? Now, if you want to turn it back on, all that you have to do is you have to actually pull that lever. So you got to pull it out. So press on the brake. I'm pressing down on the brake, and then I'm holding the brake. I'm holding the brake pedal down, like I'm pressing on the brake, and I'm holding my foot there, and I'm going to pull on this. And as you can see right over there, the parking brake or emergency brake is now engaged. Really, really easy. So essentially, for both things, you're going to hold on the brake. Whether you want to disengage it or engage it, you're going to hold on the brake, okay? So when holding on the brake, if you want to turn the parking brake or emergency brake off, you simply push it in, and it turns it off. And then similarly, when holding on the brake, if you want to turn the parking brake or emergency brake on, you take this lever and you pull it out. And as you can see, it now turns the parking brake on, okay? And that's basically it. As you can see, the parking brake is on. To turn it off, once again, push the brake pedal down and push this lever in. And now as you can see, that light is gone, so the parking brake is off. And with it being off, if you want to turn it on or engage it, press the brake pedal down, take this lever and pull it out. And as you can see, the light has now illuminated, so we've turned the parking brake on. And it's literally that simple. That is how to use the parking brake on a Kia Sportage. A really, really super easy tutorial with easy instructions. And that's it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.